We are here at Maniac Mountain in Buckhannon, West Virginia. They offer 3 terrifying attractions. They have the Killing Fields, which is in the corn maze. Second, they have Hell House, that is off the walls. And third, they have death metal. First up is Killing Fields. International Harvester, Jay. What are we harvesting up in here? Dude, I love how the candles are barely lit. Jesus! Oh my god, that got me. My god. Dude, that's like a werewolf looking thingy. I found you! Oh, okay. She found you, alright.
Oh, this is creepy as shit. I like that.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Come to help.
I'll tell you, I hate cornfields because there's so many places they can freaking hide. Dude, this barn house is beautifully done. Oh. That's nice. That's really nice. Oh. Dude, I love the big scout. Holy hell, dude. Dude, that is awesome. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Oh, ow. Shouldn't the guy be butchering the pig?
What are you looking at?
I was looking at you because I thought you were fake. I don't know, I'm sorry.
I don't like you staring at me.
I don't like it. I'm sorry. Second up, it's the Hell House. Dude, I don't like the old school hearse. It's weird looking. I like how the caskets are coming out of the wall a little bit. Oh, this is awesome. Skeletons on the walls. Dude, I don't like loud horns because it always scares the crap out of me. Okay, this is weird. This is weird. I thought it was a strip. Okay. Oh, okay. Hello. How you doing, Mr. Skeleton Man? Okay, he's running. He's running. Uh-oh. Oh, no, he's out now. He's out now. We got a couple visitors with us. Dude, I do love the cemetery that they had out here. Okay, dude. I'll see you later. I think you made him scared. He had a little bit of stage fright, I feel like. Dude, we're like in his old farmhouse type of deal now. Okay. Dude, I love how the house is. Yeah. Okay. I saw him and I still got scared. Dude, what the hell happened in this room?
Oh, I like this one.
Oh, is it because he has a little bit more meat on his body?
Pretty jumpy. Yeah.
Oh, man.
They're gonna take your soul!
Who's taking my soul?
Don't worry, he's just hungry.
Oh, okay. Okay, he's
It's
hungry.
almost dinner time.
Oh, dinner time? What do you mean? What do you mean it's almost dinner time?
You'll find out.
Oh man,
We all wait.
dude, I don't like the fit. I don't like the sound of that. Holy hell!
They're gonna take your eyeballs!
Oh, holy, dude.
Oh, jeez!
Holy crap. Dude, that thing is very creepy looking. That is super creepy looking. Dude, I hate the taser things too. Oh man. He did not deserve this. Who did not deserve this?
Help! Please help! This is crazy!
Please!
Oh man, I'm sorry. Are you gonna look like that?
Please! Let's play a little game.
What kind of game? Okay. I don't like the laugh. It feels like I'm in like a coal mine type of deal right now. Does it? Oh my god. She got some vocals, dude. Holy crap. I was just trying to see if somebody was in there, dude. Heart pressure's going up. Okay. I'm sorry.
I think he told you he was going to see you again.
Well, I saw him again, all right? Okay, for the
Told you I'd see you again!
again?
You wanna join my collection?
No, I really don't.
Skin as a tuxedo!
Oh man, that sounds so hot. Okay. Please don't. I need my organs. All right, this is very creepy looking, dude. Shell gasoline.
I'm gonna rip you both
Okay.
back together!
Dude, why? Oh my god.
Put them back together! Want a bigger bang? All I need is your blood!
I can't do anything for you. Oh. Swimming in the mountain. What is that? Okay, I don't like the sound of that, dude. Okay.
No light!
Okay.
Oh, you're terror!
I don't like that. That's a weird noise. Oh. Our last attraction's death metal, emphasis on a metal. Okay, Rudy, I'm done. I'm done again. Dude, that is awesome. That is awesome. That's weird looking. Oh, hello. Hello. I don't like it. Dude, it looks like Corey Taylor from Slipknot. All right, he didn't like it. He didn't like it. He didn't like it. He didn't like it.
Don't break my friend.
I'm going. I'm out. I don't think you liked my comment about him being Corey Taylor.
I always wanted me on TV. Well, now you will.
Best scare of the night, you about found out.
Oh, dude, he's a Bible star.
What y'all doing?
Oh my god. No. I'm done. I promise. Oh my god, dude. Holy hell. I found my bike.
You wanna go for a bike ride?
No, I do not want to go for a bike ride. He's waving. Oh man. That's pretty cool.
I'll see what I get ya. You can't escape that metal!
I didn't think he was gonna just grab me and put me in that chair earlier. Son of a devil. He is fireproof. Where's the devil at? Oh man.
You're laughing. It's a good thing you're laughing. You know why?
Why?
You know what we do to people that don't laugh?
What?
We rip their pretty little mouths open and
Oh.
make them smile.
What are you laughing at?
It's a little red.
Why are you so red?
Because I was laughing so much.
Well, stop laughing, man. Come on.
You're making him blush.
That's much better right there. Much better. It is much better.
Okay.
Now keep it like that for the rest of the time.
Okay.
Why are you still laughing?
Oh my god. Dude, I thought he was gonna bolt. I thought he was gonna bolt charge you. Oh, we're in a tattoo parlor. I need some ink. It smells like somebody. It smells like somebody's house. Dude, I'm gagging so bad. My eyes are watering. Oh my god, that's so much better. Oh. I'm with my buddy Rudy the Clown.
Oh, yeah.
We just exited Maniac Mountain. This is a very intense attraction. If you want to see another attraction like this, please click the link below. Until next time, stay spooky.
Good luck.